Oh man, how you guys doing? It's been a coffee week for sure. I've been drinking this stuff like water. We got a new knife. Got a Tkell. I've been looking at these guys for a while. There's been a handful of companies I've been looking at, and I wanted to give them a shot. Well, first, before I actually open it, check out this pouch, man. Comes with a nice little pouch. I don't actually know what I'd use this pouch for, but comes configured in a couple different ways. You do some molly, strap it however you want, whatever. It's pretty neat. Got some Velcro on there. Thin little pouch. There we go. Is this a Band-Aid? Be less dumb. Nice. What a brilliant idea. I don't know if anyone else does that, but that's hilarious. Some wipes. Beautiful. Hey, take care of your knives, guys, and your guns and whatever. We use this stuff all the time. It gets worn and torn and beaten up. Let's pop this guy out. So, Tkell looked interesting to me. They have a ton of different really unique looking designs. I was intrigued. So this is my first venture into Tkell. I wanted something that would fit a few different use cases for me to go ahead and try out. And if I like it, probably gonna get a couple more. So what's this one? This is the Agent. Oh, that's stiff. I like that. The Agent 005. This one is slightly different, and I'll talk about that in a second. But this has, I believe they call this the grenade texture on the actual grips. I got this OD green, so this is a 3¼ inch length blade. This one is thicker, so if you get one close to when this video comes out, these are slightly thicker. These are about 0.14 thick. They are now going to be coming in a little thinner, but they do currently have stock as of the filming of this video in this thicker configuration. The thinner ones will give you some a little bit more versatility, more slicey. I liked it because it's a little bit of a shorter blade. The Agent 007 was what I went to first, but then I saw this had a little bit shorter of a blade. Looked really interesting to me. Because this is something I'm going to be very versatile. I can carry it a bit easier. It's got a good ergonomic grip, so I can get a full grip on it, and a few different styles of grips. This one happens to have a glass break on the back, which is kind of nice. Really nice texturing on this grip too. Really nice with the texture on the back here. You get a good, you can really dig your thumb into there and get a good grip on that. Very ergonomic grip with the way that they've done this. That handle right there, that's very nice. Very good craftsmanship. This one, I don't know if these are the only two steels that they have in general, but for this particular knife, they have 80 CRV2, which is what this is. And then they have AEBL, which if I really like this knife, I'll probably get another variant of it. Or maybe I'll just get a different knife, who knows. In AEBL for an everyday carry knife. And then this might get put to the belt or the kit somewhere. You can never have too many knives, right? So I ended up getting the black lashing screws. Very nice. So we're gonna see. I do like how thick this is. I ended up going with the 80 CRV because, again, like I said, this is kind of gonna fill a lot of roles. That I want this knife to be a whatever I throw at it for the day, instead of something very specific. If I'm getting an everyday carry blade, I do maybe want that to be a little thinner. Some a material like the AEBL. It's a bit more of a slicey blade, and with their new configurations of these anyways, it's a little thinner, so that would be really nice. But yeah, I wanted something that, you know, I could carry every day, that could go with me camping, get thrown on my kit, and do whatever I need to for the day. Both alloys they use are nickel boron coated. Very sharp. That's nice. I don't want to cut off too much of my hair, but yeah, that's very nice. This is already a really thin piece of paper anyways, so let's see. Let's get a good bite on here. There we go. A little short blade. Check that out. Yeah, that is very nice. How about that? Alright. So yeah, short little blade. Overall length, this is a little over 7.5 inches long. 3¼ inch blade. Blade height of about 0.85. They say 0.86. It's such a weird number. But alright, fair enough. They have a 61 hardness, or a HRC. They have it all listed on their website though. This is very good quality work. Good job, guys. And hey, benefit. Can you see that? It's USA made. How about that? You gotta love it. There you go. Very stiff, really small little package. Easy to conceal in a few different ways. Maybe I'll do a follow-up video on this if I get enough use. Summer's coming up, so be a lot more outdoor adventures. Anyways, yeah, if you're interested in Tkell, or at least want to see some offerings they do have a pretty big lead time. Most of these companies have a pretty big lead time, but I'll put a link in the description. No, I have zero partnership with them. I may not be the biggest knife guy, but I understand. Take care of these things, all right? Give them some maintenance. Give them a good sharpen. Give them a good lube. Use these sort of wipes. Whatever, don't cut yourself. Be less dumb, as they say. Yeah, I like it.